Kids are naturally curious about food and they enjoy learning where the food comes from. And there are different types of food. To sustain their curiosity, it would be good to help them explore different types of food and sources. This kit is about food we eat for the elementary school kids. Activity 1 is about timing of various meal. Food item cards are provided. The kids will categorize according to appropriate meal of the day like breakfast, lunch and dinner. Activity 2 contains food item cards and source cards. And kids can have fun matching the food with its source. Last activity goes a step further about source to food. Here, the kids can trace the journey of the source to the food item on their plates and the processes involved in the journey.